creating a table, sorting, and filtering. So we have here the data, the sample data, and these are the names and the different subjects with their grades. So first we have to create a table. First thing that we need to do is to drag this one, and we have to highlight all these datas. After highlighting that, let us go now to click home, and then after clicking the home, let's try to find out where is font, and the font is here. Just simply click that. We have a lot of choices here, so it's up to us what table or border we are going to use. So this one, I like to choose all borders, this one. Okay, and also I want to make this one center, all of this one center. There you go. And then I want also this one to change the color. You can change the color. This one I want to change the color into red. Oops. You can do it like this, but of course it's hard to make this one. You have to drag it like that, but then I want to do it with more borders. So let's choose more borders. I want to change it to red, and then this one, and then now let's go to the outline. That one, make the outline red, and there you go. So after doing the table, we have to apply also what we have learned before. Let's make that one bold, and then we can change the font size, and we can highlight that as well. And then also this one, the names, you can change the font as well. After changing the font, we can highlight that one also. This one. Okay, there you go. So we have a clear table now. The next thing we need to do is to sort this one. We're going to sort it, this one. So how are we going to sort that? Let's go to data. That is the data. Click the data and just simply click sort. Okay, we have to click first here. Sort. Sort by names and A to Z. We're going to arrange that alphabetically. And you see that? When you click this one, it was arranged alphabetically, including their grades. Now, if you are a teacher and you want to show to your student their grades only, what we are going to do is we have to filter it. So just click filter under data, and you will see this one, the icon, the down arrow. Just click that one. And if you want to show Andrew his grade, we have to hide this one. So just only click Andrew. That's the purpose of filtering. We want that Andrew will see his grade only. That is for what do you call this one? Data privacy. So now after Andrew will see his grade, you can also check Kabas and then uncheck. Let's remove the check of Andrew. Just Kabas only, and then Kabas grades will be seen here. And then after that, you can also do that to all of this one until the last one, like that. button. Okay, so that's it, and we can just put it back like that. So that is how are we going to create a table, sorting and filtering. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. God bless.